Our world is teeming with life, a magnificent tapestry of creatures great and small, yet for all our differences, a single, elegant molecule connects us all. DNA, the blueprint for every living thing. For centuries, we could only observe the results of this code. The mechanism remained a profound mystery. Then, in 1953, came the breakthrough. Watson, Crick, and Franklin revealed the double helix structure, a spiraling ladder with rungs made of 4 chemical bases. A, T, C, and G. This was the alphabet of life, the alphabet. This discovery led to the Human Genome Project, a monumental 13-year international effort to sequence all 3 billion letters of our DNA. In 2003, the first complete map of the human genome was published, an unprecedented view into the machinery that makes us who we are. This achievement sparked a revolution, bringing genetics directly into our homes through consumer DNA testing kits. Suddenly, anyone could explore their ancestry, trace family lines across continents and centuries, and uncover surprising connections to distant relatives. Consider an adopted individual who discovers a sibling through DNA testing, reunions that bridge gaps created by time and circumstance. Beyond Ancestry, DNA testing offers crucial health insights. A woman discovering BRCA gene mutations can create proactive screening plans and make informed lifestyle choices that could save her life. Pharmacogenomics reveals how our genes affect drug responses, allowing doctors to choose the right medication and dosage from the beginning. This intimate genetic information brings complex ethical questions. Who should have access? How do we ensure responsible use? Laws like GINA prevent genetic discrimination by insurers and employers, but we must remain vigilant in protecting this fundamental privacy. We're entering an era of gene therapy, addressing root causes by correcting faulty genes. Early successes in treating sickle cell anemia and genetic blindness are miraculous. The future promises predictive healthcare, knowing your predispositions decades in advance to make targeted lifestyle changes and prevent disease. Ultimately, our DNA reveals we share 99.9% of our genetic code with every person on Earth, proof of our profound unity as one human family. Our DNA is both a personal instruction manual and a universal storybook, teaching us that knowledge of our genetic heritage empowers us to build a healthier, more connected future.